Hello,
Steve,
look at all these cameras.
I know.
Oh my
Filming
God.
me,
I feel like
filming you.
Joe,
No, no.
Are you walking? Steve, are you walking the route?
Rider?
Yeah, I'm going to walk it. Yeah, I'm quite a good runner.
We don't talk about that prick. It's Mr. Ice Diddy.
Why's my video got his
He's
voiceover?
from the Oval, you know.
I've been up about 3 times.
Todd, you bastard.
First of the new series, David Attenborough looks at the elephant seal, which grows from a charming seal pup to a hefty 3-ton adult. Wildlife on One, a new series starting next Monday at 8:30 on BBC One.
The film, starting on 2 in a minute, is a powerful American drama which exposes...
We have an excited crowd and some good bands.
Look at this, look. Let's stay with this. Cameras everywhere.
I've mocked your seat.
Slow rider.
How far have you parked your bike?
He's got a social coming up.
I have, 26th of April. Be there or be watermelon.
Take it off the back of that.
Hopefully I've done this video by then. Where is Florence Nightingale? Oh, here he is. Okay, let's go. Oh. See, if you'd had an RT... yeah. Fucking hell. Boing, 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 boing. Yeah. Is that the exit? They don't call him Lord Faff a lot for nothing, do they? What's that? Nigel's followed through? Yeah. Yeah. I'm in face with that fucking ditch pump in front.
Where the sign is for Bradnet,
Yeah.
there's normally a copper with a gun.
There's gonna be what?
There could be a copper with a gun.
Right.
Alright, does he know that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Copper with a gun. Right, you ready? Copper with a gun, so watch yourself. Grease, yeah, car. Big pothole. Okay, what a... This classes as a motorway in Cornwall. I mean, oh, pothole right over it. I mean, with any luck, it'll be off camber, uphill. Oh, yeah. Lovely little junction. Beautiful. Car. I mean, she could have stopped, but no. Silly cow. Yeah. I think she needs a unicorn on the windscreen. Yeah. She noticed that Nigel put his Y fronts on over the top of his waterproofs. Yeah. Yeah. They'll be hanging out the gunties on the Siegfried line. Right turn. Yeah, it was a gang of teenagers on their 125s. And he went sailing on past the left turn, which we had just spoken about moments before. See, Steve's got an eye for the machinery. Another big one there. Ugh. Oh no. Ooh, look at the train. Yeah. Fucking hell. Don't even think about it. Yeah. I think we got a car mixed in with us, I think. Pheasant in the field. As long as he stays there. No, you don't. Stay. A junction. Oh, there'll be a car probably coming this way, but no. Cool. Yeah, so we've got a car. There they are. Yeah. What's that about cannon and ball?
No, I'm afraid the line's very...
Hello? Hello, Captain Blackadder, hello?
Schnell, schnell, Kartoffelkopf.
No. So there's something about it's yeah. Well, I heard, is anyone watching Cannon and Ball on ITV tonight? Yeah. Oh, pheasant. Oh, one's been hit. Fucking hell. Poor little bastard. Yeah. What Nige did? He's going, Dad, is there something wrong with the mirror? Because those lights look a bit off to me. Yeah. Yeah, left. Yeah, look at them geese. Yeah. No, they were geese, Nige. Is it? Is it hard already?